Here's how to upgrade SmartFabric OS10 using OMNI. You'll need access to the OMNI UI and an OS10 image. Open the OMNI UI by entering the VM IP address in your browser, then launch the Fabric Management portal. Select the SFS instance, then Lifecycle Management, and Upgrade OS. Click Upload. Select the image on your local machine. Then Upload. Select the switch or switches to upgrade and click Upgrade Node. Here we're going to select the image we just uploaded. If you prefer in OMNI version 3.3.1 and newer, you can also select remote images without manually uploading them first. Click Next. Set the options for download and reboot strategy, then click Next. We usually recommend the sequence reboot strategy to minimise production impact. Review your settings and any warnings. The upgrade can't be stopped once started. If you're ready to proceed, click Finish to close the dialog and begin the upgrade. You'll be able to monitor the progress, but OMNI will lose connection at times during the upgrade. When the upgrade is done and OMNI has reconnected, the status column will show Success. Optionally, you can delete the image you uploaded by selecting it and clicking Delete Image, then Delete. Thanks for watching.